How to delete a Discord server. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to delete a Discord server step by step, so make sure to watch till the end. And let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone, log into your account. If you haven't already, on the left sidebar, find the server you want to delete and tap on it. Tap on the server name at the top of the screen. From the pop-up menu, select Server Settings. In the Settings menu, select Overview. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, tap on Delete Server. A confirmation window will appear. Enter the server name exactly as it appears. If asked, once the server is deleted, it disappears from Discord for all members. All messages, channels, and data are permanently removed. There is no way to restore a deleted server, and that's it. Now you know how to delete a Discord server permanently. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.